This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Barbara Wall. Lovely lakefront home located in Melbourne's Misty Way community. Home features an open floor plan with 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, laundry room with washer/dryer hookups, a 2-car garage and a screened patio with a lakefront view. Neighborhood amenities include a community pool and playground with a picnic area. Great location close to shopping, dining, and entertainment. Easy access to I-95 and the airport. For more information, review the details below or contact Barbara Wall at 321-308-0335.